After yesterday's, let's say, spaghetti wiring and cleaning everything up, get a module, connect anything you like, anything you need, electronics, extras, connect anything you need. As long as the receiver has enough ports, you can keep adding things to it. But besides this, or even better, since I showed you this, let's go to the cleanest car that I have, which is the Army Mojave Grom BLX. This is one of the tidiest cars I've seen or owned the past few years, and oh, I love that sound. Well, anyway, guys, ta.